So, how would you feel if you walked into a restroom and there was a robot there? Well, we're about to find out thanks to a company called Gatlin Robotics. I ran into them at the Humanoids Summit, and they told me about their robots, which starting in February of next year are going to be heading into corporate restrooms to do a little bit of cleaning. Robots in restrooms are coming soon.
All right, so can you tell me what we're looking at here?
All right, sure. Hi, we're looking at Gatlin Robotics prototyping on the Unitree G1. We're working on some cleaning applications, so we have a sponge here. We're just trying to keep the Computer History Museum clean. So yeah, we're just trying to get some practice.
So what does Gatlin Robotics do?
So we're building cleaning robotics, and so we have a couple different types of robots, and we're experimenting on the G1, but also our own mobile manipulators. And we basically want to go into large commercial offices, clean surfaces, toilets, pick up trash, kind of the things that a Roomba can't do. And then from there, we want to kind of leverage that data and get into more and more tasks.
So when can we expect to see a robot like this one, like a Gatlin robot? Let's say when I head into a restroom.
Yeah, that's a great question. You know, we're really moving fast. We only started the company around 2 months ago, but we already got our prototype and we got some pilots lined up, and we're targeting around early next year to have some, to really roll out.
So early next year, as in
like, February, January next year.
That's very exciting. And what's your, where will you be rolling out?
So we're based in LA, but we've kind of been going back and forth between LA and SF. SF is really the hub of robotics, as we've seen. But yeah, it's been a wild ride so far, and I'm really excited to see what's to come. Just the technology, the hardware, it's in a really interesting place right now where it's a great time. It's fun and low cost, and yeah, it's been great.
So what are you seeing as you're teleoperating this unit?
Oh yeah, I'm seeing like a live camera feed of everything, so I can see the robot and I can see it mimicking my moves.
Good size right here, yeah.
And then I can see a camera feed right here, kind of looks like a big screen TV. And I can kind of adjust the size, and then I see some instructions for how to work the robot.
So when these are rolled out and we'll be cleaning bathrooms, will they be fully autonomous or will there be some remote operation?
A little bit of both. Yeah, we're targeting ideally around only 40% teleoperation. So most of the navigation will be autonomous, and then the finer things that require very fine motor skills will be teleoperated.
Excellent. Well, this is very exciting. It's a great use, I think, for these units. So and the motor control seems to already be very good.
Yeah.
So I think it's
like a DJ.
Yeah, we're working on it, and I think the hardware just keeps getting better and better. So we're excited to see what's possible.
So if people want to get in touch with Gatlin Robotics, I see you guys have your.
Yeah, we've got the
That's
QR.
right. You're wearing.
Yeah, our LinkedIn's are right here, and we got GatlinRobotics.com.
Yeah.
And G1, he has our QR code for our LinkedIn and our website.
All right. Good job there. And what's the name of this robot?
Right now we call it Gatlin Heavy.
Gatlin Heavy. Okay.
Yeah, we have a lower cost prototype we've been calling Gatlin Light. TBD, name might change, but yeah, so far, yeah, Gatlin Heavy.
Gatlin Heavy. Excellent. Hey, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah.